Okay, so this is going to be my first brainstorming for my undergrad thesis project. So the title for my the topic for my undergraduate thesis project would be distributed computing. Okay, so what I'm going to do? Okay, first I haven't actually read any paper series like really intensive review for any previous paper or related subject, but I think I just searched on Google Scholar just if it's like just basic search, uh, and I not really found anything much here. Uh, Parallel computer engineering, just only few that actually have the same concept as me, but like some of these link I already clicked, but I haven't really intensively read all of them. But or I just haven't used good keyword. Or more like distributed. This uh yeah, I haven't using this. So still with this keyword I not really see anything that directly almost have the same idea as the thing that I'm going to. So alright then, alright, okay, let's just talk about my idea first. First, what I'm going to write is some kind of distributed computing, like parallel processing for post video processing. So here's the thing, the flow is like, you know, when the video was uploaded like to YouTube, you have the YouTube do actually you can, after quite a while, you can play your video in like 720p, 480p, uh 30 like full HD or 360p, and something like that, and and that's actually a lot of work. It's they actually compress and do an encoding for your videos, uh and yeah, that's basically what I want to do. So when you upload a video on YouTube, they do the process called encoding. Let's say just this is YouTube, and they do the process called they do the encoding stuff, and that way you have like 2020p or regular. It's quite hard writing it, or it's like 2020p, all full HD here. Oh yeah, that's what I want to do, and this process here is quite uh needs some kind of intensive processing, of course. So yes, that's a great place for where I can just put some parallel processing with it, and I'll wait with it. First, after you doing this, then you'll have your video. You can change on demand, depending on your quality of network and stuff, and where you streaming at this. And okay, so when you're uploading this, what my idea first, I'm going to separate it to three parts. I haven't really, this is something that come right off my mind of the separating the surface. So probably I have like three layer of a surface. This middle is like worker. So the worker is the thing that going to be have a lot of scalability. Can have you can scale this quite a lot, and like yeah, I'm sorry, this is, you can scale this very much to the n number of worker, and the things. Okay, word. And then what I want to do is like I want to have some kind of uploader. This thing like this is more like I want to just include this as a uploader. Let's see what this uploader does is like this is the service that will handle the video uploading and this job scheduling. Like I thinking that I think that this could I could separate this into like different service, but like oh no, I just want to oh no, let's just make it simple. Let's just make it have one worker. No, of like just one service. The uploading stuff and the job scheduling. So this one is going to upload to this or some kind of storage. The storage is like because I plan to uh, using Kubernetes, so I just want to simple as volume, right? It's going to upload here, and this also going to have some kind of scheduler. Uh, I think about using RabbitMQ or Kafka or I don't know. I think it's RabbitMQ is enough. It's going to send a job here, a job queue. So the job queue was based on the size of the video. So this upload service is also going to analyze the size of the video, how much the size of the video is, and like so this video is also the service. I don't know. It's going to have because it's Kubernetes and the idea of sharing the volume is not very good. So I'm thinking that I could just also make an API to download this file into chunk. And what this job does is going to like separating the video. Let's say that this video is like 1 gigabyte or like 500 gigabytes or 500 megabytes of video, right? So like let's say that I want to chunk the video into like 10 parts, where one part is going to be like 10 megabytes, or if I could be smaller, I would let's and what this does is actually I want this chunk is because the HTTP protocol have some kind of a mechanism to make sure that I could just download some part of the video. That's what I want to get. So this also have an API to access the service is going to have an API to access this volume because the service is the service that have access to this volume. What's it called? Job scheduler. Job scheduler. Job scheduler service. All right. And then I have an idea with it. Okay, so let's say that I could this API could chunk this video like the job that sent to this message queue is like the information about which part that need to be processed, and like there's going to be a lot of job here because let's say that I separate what 500 megabytes of video into like 15 part, let's say like 50 part. So one part is going to be like 10 megabytes, and one chunk of video is going to have what I call the every single, let's say I just demonstrate that it's going to encode to 720p and like 3060p, right? One chunk. So I'm going to have like twice of this, including the original and the video. Okay, so it's kind of hard. So it's kind of make, okay, this start makes sense. Okay, so like the job for okay, so generally I have no idea who is going to chunk this part. Oh, no, because I could just download some part of the video, then I could just chunk this part. Not really need to actually chunk this part, but like access some part of the videos uh by its chunk. So like let's say it's chunk one, like segment one, 720p. I'm going to send them Mr. Q here, and then chunk one, segment one, 720p. I'm going to send them, and this will consume just like anything, because this basically like queue. Once you pop the job, then it will like just remove from the queue, right? So I could just kill this like the infinite number of worker depending on my hardware, and yeah, after this, so I really need a video API. So probably this should be a video API. Oh, if I could just move here, could I? Oh, alright. So there need to, right. So okay. So after this done, it will access the same API, but this time it's going to be posting to this API, like this going to be post uh just like this, and well, so I have to have a video API, actual video API. This is going to be video API, so there's going to be I do know only two part of the videos. The first one is a video API. This will this I don't know, this doesn't have to scale super scalable. This is going to be have like I could do like get here to get the video, right? And then when I'm done, I could return the video, and this is connected to the worker volume. This is connected to the video volume, the some yeah volume, and yeah, this is the API it does. And should the upload also going here? I think yes. I think I just need this API, the API service for uploading and downloading video, and then you know what, this I don't know if this actually should be super scalable, because like okay, this is my first attempt, right? The video API, like it's going to have this video API should be super scalable, I think. Like this is also should be super scalable, but because this is going to be the streaming API or not, I think no, this is the only service that has access to this volume, and I could separate this, but for my project, I'm going to have the same API for uploading here. So this is going to be from the user. This is going to be from the user. It will be the it will be the pause. All right, and this is going to be upload from here, this going to my god, job scheduler. This should not like this. um but yeah, I just create another domain from here because like this is going to be the API, the all-in-one API here. This is going to be API for uploading. Yeah, this is going to be API, have an API for uploading all the video API. This is volume. All right. Volume. All right. This is going to be a volume. A user can pause here and it's going to be uploaded, and the worker could just done oh I this is the all right. So that's actually the video API, and also it will have some functionality which is also a scheduler, a job scheduler. So the upload part of this video is going to be connected to a job scheduler. Probably just use some kind of API. It's specific API from user slash upload, something like that, and user slash upload, and then user slash upload. Let's say that this there's is this from the user's perspective, from the user, and from the system, from the internal. All right. If it's from the user, then it will also trigger the scheduler job, which how to make this working. Like if it's from the user, then this video will also trigger a job scheduler, which basically just, hey, how much the video size was, and like how much the video size, like what kind of, no, what kind of video, how much is the size of the video, the length of the video, and like probably I could just setting it to like every check it every 10 minutes or every 1 minute, because I don't want to have some like super big file in the demo, and like how long does this video, and I will just chunk it into like 3 minute video, one chunk, and like, and then like bam bam bam, I will just if this one hit, if user hit this one, it will also trigger a job to a message queue. Okay, which will get consumed by this one, by this worker. Okay, so far this is all makes sense. So when it comes to the detail of this one, since this is going to be internally, I thinking of this one is going to use gRPC, because fuck it, man, I want to make my system is fast or not. It's I want to make my system complex and very cool. And the user, of course, they have posts, but I've read some the title of the article that I saved is like the user could the streaming API actually could like using gRPC, but I have no idea how the gRPC would work on like this the client side, because it's like HTTP2. Yeah, I read that there should be some kind of API gateway stuff to make sure to like converting the HTTP to the HTTP1, something like that, but I generally I never read that. Yes, definitely I'm going to be doing this next brainstorming session. I'm going to do more review, more specific design review of this system, and like using more reference some literature, something like that. Okay, so okay, thanks.